Apple, the tech giant, has filed a patent application with the USPTO for a new device that appears to be an updated version of the iconic iPod. This device promises to do everything a smartphone does without the hassle of annoying phone calls and text messages interrupting the user experience. According to sources, the new device will offer features such as music, videos, and books, similar to the original iPod. The most notable difference between the new iPod and its predecessor is that it will be able to host wireless earbuds, offering a significant improvement over the older model. It's a feature worth having, and music enthusiasts worldwide are eagerly anticipating its arrival. However, it is essential to note that, as of now, the device is still in the patent application phase, and there is no news on whether it will ever hit the market. Many patents never see the light of day, and it is not uncommon for tech companies to file patents to block competition from entering their market space. In conclusion, while the new iPod version sounds promising, it's still too early to say whether it will become a reality. Apple has always been known for its innovation, and fans are excited to see what the company has planned next. We'll have to wait and see whether this latest patent application turns into a new addition to the Apple product lineup.